Discharge patient from the emergency department. Your patient is ready to be discharged from the ED and you must complete the discharge process. There are two ways to access the depart process in eCare: from the e-tracking list in FirstNet, which is shown here, or from your patient's chart. From inside your patient's chart, click the Depart button in the toolbar to begin the discharge process. The Depart process window displays, and as a provider, you are required to fill out the first 4 sections that display in the list. To place the discharge icon on the tracking board as a notification to the ED staff, click the pencil on the EP discharge bar. A checkmark displays in the EP discharge bar to signify that the discharge icon now displays on the tracking board. Click the pencil on the ED prescription med rec bar and the medication window will open. Notice that the type defaults to discharge meds as prescription. While in the ED, you've given your patient azithromycin. You want your patient to go home with the prescription for azithromycin 250 mg oral tablets. Select the appropriate medication from the list and then click Done to display the details of the order. You decide that you want to provide a paper prescription to your patient. To display a list of available printers, click the ellipses. Notice the defaults that are pre-selected in the prescription routing window. These defaults can be changed unless the prescription is not eligible to be sent to the pharmacy. You would prefer that the prescription be sent to the prescription printer. Select the prescription printer from the list and click OK. Notice the prescription printer now displays in the Send To field. No other details are required. Click Sign. A check mark and the prescription you just entered displays below the ED prescription med rec bar. On the patient education bar, click the pencil. You want your patient to go home with education on asthma. Type asthma in the search field and select asthma in the bottom left pane. The available education related to asthma displays in the panel. After review, you decide that you want to include education on asthma medications. Double-click asthma medications in the list and the education displays in the panel. Click Sign. The titles of the patient education you selected display below the patient education bar. On the follow-up bar, select the pencil. In the provider field, type in Daniel, Theodore. Click on the binoculars to open the address book and select Dr. Daniel's name. From the predefined comments list, double-click Follow Up with Primary Care Provider. The selected follow-up field in the bottom of the window displays the information for Dr. Daniel. Click Sign. The follow-up information for Dr. Daniel displays below the follow-up bar. Click Save. You've completed your requirements for your patient's discharge. The discharge icon now displays on the e-tracking board to alert nursing that the patient can now be discharged. You have completed the video for FirstNet for ED providers. Thank you.